Cam released after officer run over.
Shot fired!
Bro, that was immediate. Holy shit.
What? Okay, they pulled a knife on you. Which one?
This one here.
Hey, I got nothing to do with him. I'm trying to leave. I stay here.
First off.
Whoa, that is a huge knife. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my god.
I got nothing to do with him.
Dude, that's like
I'm trying to leave.
hunting knife. Oh my goodness.
Stay here.
First off.
I just want to go.
Okay, stop. I'm trying to talk to you and you're walking away from me.
10-4.
Okay, first off.
Listen, I don't
hold
live
on.
here.
I'm going to hold on to this.
Sure. Hold on. Let me take it off.
Whoa, don't touch it.
10-4, take it off.
Thank you. I'm going to hold on to this.
You hold on to it.
Okay. What's going on today?
Listen, my friend got in an argument with the owner. I'm just trying to help Navy. I'm a former Marine. He's former Navy. He told him he has to leave. I said if he didn't call the cops on him, I'd get him the f out of here. That's it. I want nothing to do with this,
Is this
sir.
your friend here?
Yes. He's the one he threw out. I told that man to stay the f away from me.
Bro, they need to detain, like, immediately. The second you get a call that somebody is threatening them with a knife, detain them. What are we doing? Why even show up if you're just gonna ask questions and demand for like your ego and power trip? Like, bro, what a loser.
Sergeant,
I'm just gonna hold on to this. Hold on a second.
Hold on my way.
I'm gonna rewind the tape and I'm gonna copy it for you.
Okay, sir, do you have the ID on you so I know who I'm speaking to?
Yes, sir. I'll tell you who I am first. Robert, I just got out of jail Monday. Let me find the ID.
Okay, so while you're looking for your ID, what's going on today?
Met this guy over next door at the Gator Lounge. He's Marine Corps. I got out of jail Monday morning. I stayed here 3 nights, $80 a night.
Look for your ID while you're talking.
Hey, Sarge, I don't need this trouble.
Okay.
I don't need this trouble.
Okay.
I'm just trying to help out a Navy vet. I'm a vet. I'm a Purple Heart receiver. I got wounded by the Mujahideen. Tried to kill me and my 12-man A-team in our sleep. You're going to disarm both my weapons?
I am going to hold on to him. I'm going to hold on to him. I'm not.
How about
Bro, both my weapons? My main sword and my sidearm? You're gonna disarm me entirely?
this? Let me just leave.
How
Let
about,
me take my stuff.
do you have any ID on you?
Yes, I'll get it.
Okay, thank you.
Why do you need my ID?
Why?
Yeah.
Because we're out here right now.
Okay, I have nothing to do with him.
Okay, listen to me.
Yes, sir,
Listen
Sergeant.
to me.
Yes, sir, Sergeant.
Just get the ID.
Yes, sir, Sergeant.
Okay, thank you.
This is all I got right now. I don't have the, that's good enough. I can use my name, number,
It was 10-5. What's going on? Check it out.
Pull the knife on Don.
Yeah.
Why are you letting him leave?
I'm not letting him live.
Hey, Sergeant. I'm sorry. That's all I got on me is my OSHA card. That's it. I have nothing to do.
Bro, your OSHA card? It's like a work safety requirement card. It's like a OSHA 10, OSHA 30. It's like hours worked in like operational safety or some shit like that. Oh my god.
With this, I told him I would get him off
You're
the
about to drive, bro. You should just have your damn license, your ID, anything, bro. A credit, something. Holy shit.
property to please leave me alone. I walked across the street for 2 seconds and come back and he's fighting with the owners. I want nothing to do with this, Sarge.
Okay. Give me just a few minutes.
Let me tell you something right now. I spent 4 years in the Marine, but
Oh my god, just detain him, bro. You haven't, like, suspicion. You got to figure out what's going on. Detain him in the car. Figure it out. What are we doing?
I also spent 15 years in prison, okay?
Okay.
I came home. I couldn't deal with life. I started doing drugs. I started robbing. Yeah, I drink a lot now, but I don't rob. Oh my.
The officer's body camera is cut off here due to it being damaged. As 2 backup officers arrive and activate their body cameras, the suspect escalates the situation to a new extreme.
Hey! Hey! Watch where you're going, man!
That's the guy.
Whiskey 5! Shot fired! Shot fired!
Shot fired! Shot fired!
The body cam footage frame by frame shows the officer clearly being hit by the front end of the suspect's vehicle and riding up on the hood as he discharges his firearm, firing 4 shots at the suspect through the windshield.
He's not gonna be
Shot
dead.
fired! Shot fired!
Are you okay, Sarge?
You okay? Okay.
Start an ambulance! Start an ambulance! To the
Going
blue one.
northbound? Northbound?
Vehicle went northbound 4th D Street.
Bro, he made it look like that was like blood or something in the thumbnail.
Did you get hit? You okay?
He's fine.
We need EMS. Are you okay?
You mind?
0-1 is down. Shots fired by officer.
What are you gonna drag it down on foot, buddy? What are we doing? What are we doing?
Is he okay?
He's okay.
He's okay, mate?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Start the vehicle! Get out of the
He
vehicle!
came back. Hold on. I skipped.
Yeah, could be.
He's okay.
Suspect just arrived. Get out of the vehicle! Start the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle! Start the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle! We have the suspect back at the Blue Boy. We have two.
Show me your hands!
One at gunpoint.
Show me your hands!
Well, at least he came back. You're gonna get him now.
Show me your
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get on the ground!
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get out of the ground! Get out of the ground!
Bro, all you had to do was show him your ID and be chill, and you hit him with a car instead.
Get out of the ground! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Why is his hand bloody? What the fuck?
Are you injured?
I'm wounded. One gunshot wound to the chest.
Oh, he got shot in the chest. Oh my god.
He's in custody.
Oh, that's why he came back. He's like, I'm just gonna die, so they're gonna probably get to me pretty quickly if I come back.
I need an ambulance for him as well. Blue Boy. Where's your passengers?
Outside or inside? We're outside.
I'm wounded.
Okay, EMS is coming.
Oh, bro, he's done for. Was this okay to show?
For ambulance, come in.
Here. Scoot on your side.
Oh, bro, he's done. That's sad. He's done.
All right, let's get something in the wound.
All right, we don't need to see that though. I mean, he's gone.
Okay. Got one outbound.
Bro, it makes so much sense. That's exactly why you'd come back too, because you're just like, I'm sitting here with a fatal wound, and he just kind of coasted back in. He wasn't even like driving heavy or nothing, because he's dying and losing blood. Let's just kind of move forward, because he looks like he don't make it.
William Mickle III was quickly transported to the hospital for his gunshot wound to be treated. He did survive thanks to the life-saving techniques of officers and paramedics who responded to the scene. The officer was also...
Well, he really survived because he came back, and then they responded to him coming back. Good on him.
Transported to a nearby hospital and treated for minor injuries. He was later released in stable condition. Charles was subsequently charged with 2 counts of felony aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and 1 count of felony aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer with a motor
Bro, that's a charge, dude. Oh my god, good luck getting any kind of a job with just that one alone.
vehicle. He later pleaded no contest to all charges and was given a sentence of 20 years in prison with 1,058 days of jail credit, bringing...
Wait a minute, 20 years for aggravated... Oh, aggravated assault, I think, is like long. Ooh.
His sentence down to just over 17 years. He will be released in 2041 when he is 61 years old and will have spent more than half his life in prison.
Wow. Well, that's probably why he acts like that then, huh? He's like a totally different person. That's why prisons don't really help anybody. And punishing people for that is not the solution. I don't know what it is, but it's not that. So, anyway, that was pretty short, and I kind of skipped a little because that was traumatic. But yeah, next one's going to be police trace suspect in gas station manager's death.